Alright, Malachi. Brace just coming back, fresh off the bat. A beautiful victory for your team. How are you feeling?
Well, I'm feeling very great actually. You know, I'm not fully fit as yet, but we're getting there, and I love the team performance today.
What do you think about it? What's your thoughts about the team this season? Is it a stronger team from last year, or you think there's still work to be done?
It's a very competitive. I can tell you that. That's what I can say. It's a very competitive.
What is the aim for this season?
The same aim as always. So try defend our titles and even add on one more as well.
You guys went in halftime at 5-0, came out and the tempo kind of toned down. Was that a direct instruction from the coach?
Well, not really, but you know, it happens in games.
Yeah.
So we just need to work on that.
How is it working with new players in the team?
They're not new players. They're just the younger ones. They're not new players. And it's a tremendous feeling to work with them because they are very...
How is it being like being back? How is it like being back? The PC playing again? When you could, you know?
Yeah, but I'm always happy to be with my family because Clarendon College is my family. So I'm always happy.
Alright, Malachi, big up here.